Mastery Quiz number 5, Advanced Algebra through Data Exploration. Problem number 1. Use the point-slope formula to find the equation of the line in y equals mx plus b form when given 2 points. Okay, the point-slope formula is given to you. The first thing you may want to do is label your two ordered pairs. So this would be x1, this would be y1, this one is x2, and this one is y2. First thing we need to do is find our slope. Now you have to have the slope formula memorized. Okay, remember the slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, let's plug the numbers in. So y2 in this case would be the negative 6 minus the y1 would be negative 12 all over. x2 is 5 and x1 is negative 5, so minus negative 5. Now, don't forget, change your minus negatives to plus positives. All right, now add the numerators together, so negative 6 plus 12 is positive 6 over 5 plus 5 is 10. Now, in order to master the mastery quiz, you must simplify whenever possible. So 6 over 10 becomes 3/5. Okay, we have everything we need to use the point-slope formula. So we write y minus, okay, replace y1 with negative 12 equals, the slope we just found is 3/5, parentheses, x minus, replace the x1 with negative 5. Again, you need to go through and change your signs, minus and negative, plus positive, and plus positive here. The next thing you need to do is distribute the 3/5 because we want to get rid of the parentheses. So we have y plus 12 equals 3/5 times x is 3/5 x, and 3/5 times 5 is just 3. You can use your calculator if you need to. 3/5 times 5 is 3. Last step, get rid of the plus 12, so subtract 12 from both sides. So y equals 3/5 x, and then 3 minus 12 is negative 9. So we have found the equation that goes through the 2 points, negative 5, negative 12, 5, negative 6. You can easily check this with your calculator. Pull up your calculator, type your equation into the y equals, so 3/5 x minus 9. Go to your table. The first ordered pair is negative 5, negative 12, so scroll. There it is, negative 5, negative 12, and then the other ordered pair is 5, negative 6. So we have verified that that equation, 3/5 x minus 9, goes through those 2 points. So use that as a check step. Okay, problem number 3, we are going to graph this function. So remember, this right here is your y-intercept. Okay, that tells us where to start. So we're going to start at 6. Make sure you start on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 6. Put a dot. Okay, the slope tells us where to go. And remember, slope is rise over run. Well, there's a negative in front of this one, so that means we're going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and over 2. 1, 2. Okay, since it's negative, the dots need to be falling. So down 3, 1, 2, 3, right 2, 1, 2. Keep following that pattern. Put as many dots in your graph as possible. You can also go backwards. So you could go up 3, but then go left 2 to finish off putting the dots through the graph. Draw your line through the dots. And we have now graphed the function negative 3 over 2x plus 6. Problem number 3, write the equation that is parallel and 4 units up from the function given. Remember, parallel means that the 2 equations will have the same slope. Okay, so here's your slope. We want to keep that the same. So we're going to say y equals negative 2x. Okay, now it is parallel. Well, and 4 units up from the function given. Well, 4 units up means we're going to add 4. If it was 4 units down, we would subtract 4. Okay, but it's not. It's 4 units up, so we add 4. So negative 3 plus 4 is 1. So that means the new y-intercept for the line that's parallel to that function is 1. So y equals negative 2x plus 1. We're done. Okay, the fourth one. Write the equation that is perpendicular to the function at its y-intercept. Remember, perpendicular, the slope, or the slopes must be opposite reciprocals. All right, well, here's your slope. M equals 4. To be perpendicular, we're going to flip it and change the sign. So if I flip it, it's 1 over 4, and if I change the sign, I change it to a negative. So that is the new slope. So y equals negative 1/4 x. Now, it says that it's going to be at its y-intercept. So that means we're going to keep the same y-intercept. So we just need to put minus 7 behind it. Okay, so these two equations are perpendicular to each other. That's it. Good luck.